this video, we're going to use the sum product function to answer the following interesting question. Given an NBA team's win-loss records over all the seasons they've been in existence, how many winning seasons do they have and how many losing seasons? So I got this stuff off the great website, basketballreference.com. And they have a team page for every NBA team. So we'll look at the Spurs, which have had a fantastic franchise, as we'll see. So we can see in the current season, 2018-2019, they won 48 and lost 34. And going back, they won 45 and lost 37. I'm going back to the 88. Okay. So you want to figure out how many winning seasons they had. So basically, you want to know how many seasons was column F bigger than column G. And so this is the formula. So, I mean, this makes it really simple. So you don't have to do Control-Shift-Enter or array formulas if you know that. So you take column F greater than column G and you put a double dash in front of it, and it goes down every row to see if this is true. Does F58 greater than G58, etc., F59 greater than G59, etc. And then the double minus turns the array of what would be trues and falses into ones and zeros, and you just add them up. So the way you'd put this in would be sum product, double minus, and then we could point to this. And then we'd say greater than when we know it's the same range. Now I need two right parens there to close that. And we'll see how that goes there. Okay, so that's our formula. Now if I want to change that in the losses, probably the easiest thing I can do with that is copy it and make the greater than a less than. I won't count the seasons that they were 41 and 41. And we can see that basically the Spurs, in what fraction of their seasons were above 500? A lot. This is incredible. But they've had great players like Duncan, David Robinson, most of the history. But 86% of the time, the Spurs have had a winning record. That's amazing. Okay. Now, if you want to see this formula in action, you go formulas, evaluate formula. Okay, so it's going to go true, true whenever they won more than they lost. And finally, there's a false there. I don't know how many years that's been. And then if you evaluate, it keeps that. But then the minus minus gets turned into ones and zeros and added up. But that's a really cool use of the sum product function. Without that, it would be a hard problem to figure out how many winning seasons and losing seasons the Spurs have.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of three books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.